Hello, Abuti. What are you doing?
Ndilipolisa.
Ndingutitshala.
Oh, today we're learning about occupations. Can you guess what Abuti is pretending to be right now?
Ndingutitshala.
Very good. He's pretending to be a teacher. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Utitshala means teacher. And when you want to say I am something, you use ndi and ngu. I am. But remember, in isiXhosa, we put all these words together. Ndingutitshala. Can you guess what Abuti is pretending to be right now?
Ndingumfundisi.
That's right. He's pretending to be a priest or a pastor. And can you guess what Abuti is pretending to be right now?
Ndingungqirha.
That's right. He's pretending to be a doctor. And what is Abuti pretending to be now?
Ndilipolisa.
That's right. He's pretending to be a policeman. Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain some more. Did you notice to say I am a policeman, you say ndilipolisa. So, we take ndi and ipolisa and we put them together to form ndilipolisa. So, we have ugqirha, umfundisi, utitshala, and ipolisa. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.